Now you learned how to read C, D, and E. It's time to practice on keyboard. This is a preparation exercises for Beyer Oops 101. And the first page only uses those 3 notes. The number on the top, 1 and 2, those shows fingerings. Finger number 1 is thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is second space from the top. Second space note is a C. So thumb goes on C. And then second finger goes on D. And those 2 lines with dots means repeat. Do it again. It is very important to make it even and very steady. And here comes the metronome. I suggest my students to practice at 60 first. My favorite metronome. Once you get used to playing with metronome, it's gonna be fun. It's like playing with a drummer. Number 1, one more time. One, 2, 3, 4. Off. Number 2, this is a 3 counts. So we're going to hold 3 count at the end. One, 2, 3. Number 3, it says a 3 on E. Third finger on E. Two, 3. Number 4. Number 5. Off. Make sure to practice 5 times a day. So from here to here, 1 time. And repeat. Do it again. Do it again 5 times.